राष्ट्रीय दर्या विज्ञान, फॉरेन्सिक, कायदो, उदका खेळ, पर्यटन आनी गोवा शिपयार्ड सारक्यो वेगवेगळ्यो संस्था गोंयांत स्थापीत केल्यात आनी फुडाराक बेगीनूच करतले अशी माहिती मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंतान दिली. तो ध्रुवीय आनी दर्या संशोधन केंद्राच्या 23व्या स्थापना दिसा निमतान आयोजीत कार्यावळींत उलयतालो.
Goa may not only the NCPR, but as just now the Dr. Zaman had told, an IO institution is there, National Institute of Oceanography. Recently we have started with the National Forensic Science Institution, International School of Law. Also we have started having the National Water Sports Institution at Miramar, Goa Shipyard. Besides that we are having National Forensic Science and also one National Tourism Institute at Famaguri we are establishing. This type of so many national institutes are already established in the state of Goa. As many of you are aware that India's journey of Antarctica had started way back in 1981 when the first expedition was launched from the Marmagua port of Goa. Since then, it was grown in leaps and bounds. The expanding the footprints in the Antarctica and the Arctica and the polar regions. Ultimately, such expansion of the activities have led to the creation of the NCPR, which provides the single point of the country's efforts in the polar scientific and operational activities. No wonder the Goa is known as the Indian gateway for the polar region. I am also happy to note that NCPR led the India's strategically important Deep Oceans Mission project, and which is the torchbearer for the India's blue economy. As you must aware, our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has taken up a strict all-around development of the country to realize his vision. The blue economy is a major thrust area.